Automate your workflow with Zapier. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can automate your workflow using Zapier. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any important steps. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Zapier.com. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free. It only takes a minute. Once you're signed in, click on the Create Zap button. Think of a zap as a chain reaction. When one thing happens, it automatically triggers another. Now for the fun part, let's say you want to automatically save every email attachment from Gmail into your Google Drive. Start by selecting Gmail as your trigger app. Then choose the event, like New Attachment. Connect with your Gmail account. Zapier will guide you through connecting your Gmail account. Next, set up the Action app. In this case, you'll choose Google Drive. Then select Upload File. Zapier will ask you to connect your Drive account and specify where you want the files to go. Just follow the prompts and map out the fields. It's super intuitive. Once that's set up, hit Test and Review to see if it works. If the test runs smoothly, go ahead and publish your Zap. From now on, it will run in the background. No more downloading and uploading files manually. And that's it. You've just automated a small part of your workflow. But trust me, these little automations add up and save you hours. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you soon.